Hey guys, on this video I'll be showing you how to install Linux, Ubuntu and Windows 7 on VirtualBox. On the previous video we have covered the installation of Windows Server 2012. For those of you that are new, this is one of a series of videos where we are building a virtual home lab and we will be going through topics such as Active Directory, DNS and DHCP, adding users and computers, group policies. We'll even touch on topics such as remote desktop, video conferencing and ticketing systems. Now we are going to go ahead and install Windows 7. We are going to open VirtualBox. Then click on New. Now we select the version that we want. It's going to be the Windows 7 64-bit version. Then we add the name. We're going to call our PC Win7. Then from this point on, it's just going to be a next kind of a process because we're just going to go with the default settings. So just click Next. Next. And then we create. There you go. Now we've created our Win7 machine. However, this is still a shell. It's an empty shell. We have not yet installed an operating system. So we're going to go ahead and click the green button to start or boot up the machine. And here we are going to select our image file that we've downloaded, the Windows 7 image file downloaded earlier. So you're just going to click on Add and look for the file where you have saved it. And simply open and click Choose. And then just open it. There we go. The PC is booting from the disk or the image file, and it's gonna start loading the files. So the installation is gonna continue. Oh yeah, here we're just going to click Next. We're gonna take the default and install now. And we're gonna accept and click Next. We're gonna go with the custom. Just click Next. This is gonna be a long process. It's gonna have to follow all those 5 steps. This will take a while, so I'm gonna speed up the process for the sake of the length of the video. Now it's asking us to add the user and the PC name. So we're gonna go with admin for the administrator and Win7 for as the name of the PC. I am not going to put the password here because this PC is going to be under the domain. We're going to create a domain on Windows Server, so there's no need to create a password since we're going to have to do that later anyway. Just click Next. And we're going to go with the work network. And there you go. The process is complete. We have our desktop. Windows 7 is up and running. And now we are going to install Linux Ubuntu. We are going to open up VirtualBox and go to new, and we are going to add the name of the PC. We're going to call it Ubuntu. It automatically detects everything. That's how smart this VirtualBox thing is. And we're just going to click next throughout. We're going to take the default settings once more. Now we're going to click on the green arrow, start. This will boot up the PC. Now we are going to select the image file. This will be the Ubuntu image file we downloaded. And open. Make sure it's selected and click choose. Then start the machine. Now we are going to click on install Ubuntu. Now here we're gonna go with the minimal installation. It's gonna be quicker this way because it doesn't install extra features. It only install the minimum required features. Now it wants us to add the admin and the password. We're just gonna go with administrator and then a password that we will be able to remember. It's going to start copying files. This is a very long process, so I'm gonna speed it up. And when it's done with the installation, you're going to restart the PC. Now we're gonna enter the administrator's credentials, the password. And there you have it. That is the desktop. We have successfully installed Linux Ubuntu. On upcoming videos, we are going to be looking at how to add the Windows 7 and this Ubuntu machine on Active Directory. And we'll also be experimenting with other cool stuff. So go on ahead and check those videos.